Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and calibrate your battery on MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So what happens is normally on your battery, what happens is it's not going to show you the exact right battery level that it is on actually, because it might be a glitch, it might be a error. Sometimes it might have lower battery than it shows, sometimes it might have higher battery than it shows, and then which is a big problem. Well, in order to go ahead and fix this problem, what you need to do is let your MacBook completely drain out your battery first. So just use it as much as you want until it goes complete to zero and let it shut down. And when it shuts down, let it shut down for at least 10 minutes. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and let it all the way to 100. Don't use it at all until it reaches the 100% mark. And then as soon as it reaches 100% mark, then you can start using it and it's going to be calibrated. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.